Hello everyone. In this video presentation, I will discuss two academic journal article index in Scopus that are closely related to economic development and sustainability issue. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the background, objective, methodology, mining finding, and conclusion of each study in a clear and concise way. I hope this presentation can provide a better understanding of how economic factor interacts with social and environmental outcome in developing regions. Before we get into the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Yoga Agung Prasetyo, majoring in Economic and Business, Development Economics Study Program, and Ahmad Dahlan University. Let me start with the first journal article. This study discusses how economic growth and unemployment influence green development in Latin American countries. The topic is very relevant because many developing regions are currently facing the challenge of growing their economies while also protecting the environment. The background is Latin America has experienced economic growth in recent years, but this growth has not always been environmentally sustainable. At the same time, many countries in this region continue to struggle with high unemployment rates. Economic growth can support green development through technological innovation, but unemployment can weaken social stability and reduce public support for environmental policy. Because of these conflicting dynamics, the relationship between economic growth, unemployment, and green development is not always straightforward. This is why the author considered this issue important to study. The research objective is the main goal of this study is to examine how economic growth and unemployment affect green development in Latin American nations. In addition, the author wants to understand the mechanism behind this relationship. They specifically analyze whether technological innovation and social stability play mediating roles, and whether entrepreneurial activity can strengthen or weaken this effect. Uh, the methodology is to answer this research question. The author used panel data from 28 Latin American countries, covering the period from 205 to 222. They apply a two-way fixed effect model, which allows them to control for difference across countries and over time. In addition, mediation and moderation analysis are used to better understand both direct and indirect effect. And the mining finding is the result of the study show several interesting findings. First, economic growth has a positive and significant impact on green development, mainly because it con- encourage technological innovation. Second, unemployment has a negative effect on green development as it reduces social stability. However, the study also finding that entrepreneurial activity can change this situation. Entrepreneurship strengthens the positive effect of economic growth and help reduce the negative impact of unemployment on green development. And the conclusion is, in conclusion, the study highlight that green development cannot be achieved by economic growth alone. Social stability, innovation, and entrepreneurship are also essential factors. Therefore, policymakers in Latin America should focus not only on increasing economic growth but also on reducing unemployment and promoting entrepreneurial activities to achieve sustainable development. And now I will move on to the second journal article. While the first study focused on green development and environmental sustainability, the second journal pay more attention to social and economic issues, particularly economic growth and employment condition. This topic is equally important because economic development should not only important output but also people's livelihood. Uh, the background is, in many developing countries, economic growth is often used as the main indicator of development success. However, in reality, high economic growth does not always translate into better employment opportunities. Some countries some countries experience what is known as jobless growth, where the economic expand but unemployment remain high. This situation raises concern about the quality of economic growth and its ability to deliver real social benefit. The research objective is The main objective of this study is to examine the relationship between economic growth and unemployment. Specifically, the author aim to understand whether economic growth can effectively reduce unemployment or whether structural problems in the labor market limit this effect. Through this analysis, this study seeks to provide an evidence on whether growth alone is sufficient to improve labor market outcome. The methodology is to achieve this objective. The study employs quantitative analysis using panel data or cross-country data. That econometric models are applied to estimate the impact of economic growth on unemployment while controlling for other macroeconomic factors. This approach allows the author to observe both short-term and long-term relationship between growth and employment. The main finding the finding of the study indicate the economic growth does not always lead to reducing in unemployment. In some cases, growth increase output without creating sufficient jobs, especially when growth is driven by capital-intensive sectors. They suggest that the structure of the economic and labor market institution play a crucial role in determining employment outcome. And in conclusion, the study highlights the economic growth alone is not enough to solve unemployment problem. Growth must be accompanied by employment-oriented policies and labor market reform to ensure that economic progress benefit a wider segment of society. Therefore, policymakers should focus on inclusive growth strategies that promote both economic expansion and job creation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.